A complete failure. Strong words from Polk County Sheriff Grady Judd during an interview with 10 Investigates Jennifer Titus. The sheriff shared his thoughts on something you may not have thought much about lately. So, we have recently seen these images. Law enforcement patrolling our borders, detaining people who cross into the United States without proper documentation. But once they're put in police custody, they're entitled to due process. It's the law. But the process we have found is taking much longer than anticipated, leaving many waiting for years for their day in court.
All right, this is it. So this is one of 2 immigration courts in the state of Florida. I guess I thought it'd be like super busy, right? Like long lines.
He attempted murder on another individual, and that's disconcerting to me. That is unacceptable. That is unacceptable. It's a total failure.
What do you miss the most?
Su risa, su carácter, su cariño. Todo es una persona intachable.
She was never able to see you get a green card.
No lo pudo ver y ella es lo que quería, que yo me quería ver ciudadano más que todo.
You've been an immigration attorney how long?
For 10 years. Yeah. 10 years.
Have you ever seen a backlog like this in the immigration court system?
No. In the 18, 20 years that I've been doing this is the first time that the backlog is very large.
I know that you are an immigration court judge, but we are talking to you as the
president of NAIJ.
The question I'll, ask you is, why are we seeing such a backlog?
It's historic. What's happened is that because various administrations have at times wanted to provide resources to law enforcement at the expense of the courts, you've seen a lot of funding toward law enforcement, like DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, and not the same level of funding for the court system.
We have requested additional funds so that we can put an additional 600 personnel, including 100 immigration judges, into our Executive Office of Immigration Review so that we can do the kind of acceleration that you're talking about.
Oh, yes, we have been seeing major hiring going on, but what we're not seeing is the level of support personnel being hired that we know we need as well. And we also need a lot of additional technology. More apprehensions in the United States or at the border can mean more cases for us.
What is your hope going forward?
Bueno, la esperanza nunca se pierde porque pues está el proceso, está el caso.
And we have learned that Attorney General Garland has asked for additional funding to help with this backlog. But look at this growth here. This growth here from October to December of backlog cases is the largest on record. 140,000 cases were added in just that short period of time. During the Trump administration, the largest quarterly increase was 100,000 cases.
The data we were able to get our hands on is thanks to the Transactional Records Access Clearinghouse at Syracuse University, the statistician for the organization that we spoke with about these trends. So you can find that right now on our website, that information at 10tampabay.com.